How to use Wireshark for beginners. So basically, what is Wireshark? So as you can see, Wireshark is a network packet analyzer. A network packet analyzer presents captured packet data in a much detailed details as possible. You could think of a network packet analyzer as a measuring device for examining what's happening inside a network cable, just like an electrician uses a voltmeter for examining what's happening inside an electric cable. So here are some reasons people use Wireshark. So network administrators use it to troubleshoot network problems, network security engineers use it to examine security problems, and developers use it to debug protocol implementations, etc. And here you can see different features. As you can see, it's available only for Unix and Windows. Capture live packet data from a network interface, and here we have all the features. So if you want to start using Wireshark, you're gonna have to go to their official website and click on download, and then simply download it, and that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.